Okay, hi everyone. Today I want to introduce to you a system called drugTally. DrugTally is an inventory management system that is used in health. So what happens is with DrugTally, you're able to make sales using an online system or an offline system. Now with the online system, all we do is we just give you space onto our main domain, and then you're able to make whatever the sales, and then we record for you, keep the sales and keep that information onto the system. With the offline system now, for which we come and physically install the system in your pharmacies, and then you pay the installation fee. So for the online system, of course, it is an internet-based system where you must only work with internet. Without internet, the system can apparently not work. However, we are working about a broad network that can be used in Uganda without basically using internet, but just network. We are working out something with MTN Uganda and Airtel. Once those memorandums are fully signed, then we shall let you know. So what are the applications of drugTally system? DrugTally system can be used in pharmacy management, can be used in hospital, can be used in laboratories, can be used even in a cocktail where someone has a pharmacy or hospital and a lab. It can as well be used in supermarket. However, that would mean you're getting a bullet and you're hitting a mosquito, but well, it can be used. So we want to look at the different features which drugTally comes with. Some of the most catching features is we have incorporated into our system the different payment options at checkout. That is mobile money, Visa, and credit. So you're able to choose how the client is paying you, which makes it easy to balance at the end of the day. Then the other feature that we have is if someone has a multi-branch pharmacy or call it a chain system, where he has a branch in maybe Gaba, another one in Kabaragala, another one in another part of the country, then they are able to manage all those stocks only in one place. And the admin doesn't need a lot of skills, just a few trainings here and there, and is able to accomplish all those tasks. Then the system comes loaded with some few medications. Yes, for kickstarting, but I would always recommend that it's good you enter your medicines right from the word go. Then the system sends in the daily, weekly, monthly reports to the admin email every day. Every close of the day, the system sends in the information. Then the system is able to calculate the average monthly consumptions of each and every drug in the system. The consumption, it is a consumption-based system where it is able to show you that this drug is moving faster than the other, but it also shows the actual figures. It also predicts for you how much you need to restock so that your stock does not go low. And then the system is able to, it has the credit sales. The credit sales here, it means you're able to sell to your customers who are buying on credit and then keep all those records on how they are paying you back. Then if you have a delivery system where you send some of your goods to the field, then you're able to use these the small point of sale printers onto our system. You move with it. When you reach there, you just print a receipt, and then whoever is receiving receives, and then they sign on to the receipt. The system is able to work with most of the printers on market, both small and big. You just choose which printer you want to use. Then let's look at the advantages of the online system. Of course, the pharmacy owner is able to see whatever the sales are being made in real time. Then there is no need for the pharmacy owner to buy a server computer, because it is me who is doing for you, who is providing you the servers. We've set up servers in different parts of the world. You have some servers in India, some servers in USA, and of course a server in Uganda. Just in case you get issues, then these different servers are able to come in to see how to back up your information. So there is no use of data whatsoever. Data cable connections can be avoided, yes, because if we are using an online system, then you can just use Wi-Fi, and the cost of Wi-Fi is usually very negligible. You can choose to use tablet computers and mobile devices in case you don't want to go into the computer. That makes it even way cheaper for you. Then we can design for you a custom website, and then we incorporate into it this system, and you continue using the system. So if you had your other website somewhere up and running, we can just work on it and see how we can incorporate it, and then it works and serves you. Basically, that is it for what drugTally is. But the most important bit is it is able to give you a cocktail of services. You can choose to use it for pharmacy, you can choose to use it for lab, you can choose to use it for pharmacy and lab, you can choose to use it for pharmacy, lab, and ultrasound scan. It keeps all those details within it. Basically, that's it. The next video, we shall then be seeing how to log in, and then we shall be able to see different functions of drug system. Thank you for listening.